Hello students, from the structure of atom, next concept dual behavior of matter and Heisenberg uncertainty principle and de Broglie concept, dual behavior. PYQ questions, look at here. 2025 statement 1. It is impossible to specify simultaneously with arbitrary precision, accurate precision, both the linear momentum means P, and position x position of the particle, that is x, momentum means P. So it is impossible. So impossible to find out the simultaneously both position and momentum of the particle, microparticles especially. That is the Heisenberg uncertainty statement. That is incorrect, correct statement. Statement 1 is the correct one. It is impossible, not possible. Next, statement 2, based on the Heisenberg uncertainty formula. If the uncertainty in the measurement of position and uncertainty in measurement of momentum are equal for an electron, then the uncertainty in the measurement of velocity is asking velocity. What is the relation? This statement is correct or not? Once we'll check here. That statement is correct or not. What is the Heisenberg uncertainty formula? So delta x, delta p greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. This is the formula. So both delta x, delta p, they said both are equal. So delta x is equal to delta p. So delta p square greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Square is present, do the both sides root. So delta p is equal to greater than or equal to square root of h by 4 pi. P is nothing but what? Momentum, na? So P is equal to mass into change in velocity. This is the formula. This is the relation. So m into dv. So this is nothing but this relation. Delta P is equal to m into dv. Greater than or equal to square root of h by 4 pi. So delta V is equal to what? Greater than or equal to square root of h by 4 pi into 1 by m. 4 move to root outside, so delta V greater than or equal to 1 by 2 h by pi into 1 by m. So delta V greater than or equal to square root of h by pi 1 by 2 m. This is the velocity relation. Observe this relation is correct or not here. Root of h by pi into 1 by 2m. So this is statement 2 also correct. Statement 1, statement 2 both are correct. Next question number 89, observe here students. A0 is denoted as the Bohr radius of hydrogen atom. Then what is the de Broglie wavelength of the electron present in the second orbit of hydrogen atom? So here asking the relation between de Broglie wavelength and Bohr radius simply. So Bohr radius, de Broglie orbit number, what is given here? Orbit number is 2 is given, and A0. Bohr radius formula, radius of the nth orbit formula 0.529 n square by z angstroms. This is Bohr radius formula. 0.529 value how much is given? A0 is given. So n square by z angstroms. Orbit number, what is the orbit number? Second orbit is given. So A0 2 square, atomic number of the hydrogen is 1. So value 4 A0. So radius of the second orbit. De Broglie's wavelength 2 pi r is equal to n lambda. De Broglie orbit formula expression 2 pi r is equal to n lambda. R is nothing but radius, that is the second orbit. So 2 pi into 4 A0. R2 is nothing but 4 A0 n lambda. So asking what? What is asking here? De Broglie wavelength is asking. So lambda is equal to 8 pi A0 by n. This is the de Broglie wavelength 8 pi A0 by n. So option P is the correct option. Observe the next question students. Question number 90. Based on the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, The uncertainty in the velocity of electron to be found within the atomic nucleus of diameter 10 power minus 15 meters is dash 10 power 9 meter per second inverse. This is a 2024 question, integer question, Heisenberg uncertainty based. So Heisenberg uncertainty formula delta x m delta v is equal to h by 4 pi. You know this formula. What is asking? Delta v is asking. So delta v is equal to h by 4 pi delta x into m. H is nothing but Planck constant. What is that value? 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. 4 pi value 3.14. And delta x is nothing but diameter. How much is given? 10 power minus 15 meters. And the mass of the electron is how much? 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. So simplify the values, how much you are getting, find out. So here the joule seconds are present, meters are present. This is kilograms is present. After simplifying, 1 joule is equal to actually 1 joule equal to kilogram meter square second power minus 2. So in the place of joule, substitute these units and simplify. The value 57.8 into 10 power 9 meter per seconds you are getting. 57.8, almost 58, nearest integer. Asking nearest integer. 58 into 10 power 9 meter per seconds. After simplifying, we are getting this value. So conversions are important. Physical chemistry, compulsory you should learn the unit conversions. So that's why I am telling you every time, practice PYQ questions. Based on the PYQ questions, analyze which topic is most important topic, which topic is the less important topic, which topic is asking more questions. Next question, observe students here. Question number 591. Frequency of de Broglie wave of electron in Bohr's first orbit of hydrogen atom is dash into 10 power 13 hertz. 2024 question it is. So de Broglie is question based. De Broglie wavelength formula, lambda is equal to h by mv na? You know this. In the de Broglie wavelength, the frequency is not available. So for getting frequency, this equation multiple and divisible with v, velocity. So lambda is equal to h by hv by mv square. So I am writing this above relation, mv square by h is equal to v by lambda. V by lambda is nothing but frequency. So this frequency is asking. So we need to simplify this relation. H we know that, velocity we don't know, and a mass we don't know. So kinetic energy formula, kinetic energy K is equal to half mv square. So this value is nothing but Rydberg constant value for hydrogen atom. Kinetic energy of the hydrogen atom, Rydberg constant value, both are almost nearly same. So 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 joules is given. So mv square we need. Here the 2 is present. So mv square is equal to 2 into 2.18 10 power minus 18 joules. So 4.36 into 10 power minus 18 joules mv square value. So h value how much? 6.626 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. These two values substitute here, then you are getting the frequency. So nu is equal to 4.36 into 10 power minus 18 joules by 6.626 10 power minus 34 joules. Joule seconds. Joules get cancelled. Second inverse is remaining. Frequency unit second inverse. So 4.36 by 6.626 10 power minus 18 10 power 34. How much is remaining? 10 power 16 is remaining. So this value after simplifying 4.36 by 6.626. After simplifying you are getting 660 into 10 power 13. So answer is 660. So here this value is nothing but Rydberg constant value, kinetic energy of mv square is equal to this relation. Okay na students? Hi students.